This is an entirely online course. For each module, we have prepared for you some video tutorials. If material of videos is new to you, I would recommend practicing along the videos with provided Excel files. And be careful, the videos on purpose do not cover everything that is asked in this course, so there will be plenty of room for self-work and self-investigation. If, on the contrary, the material in the videos is too easy for you, or you want to challenge yourself and to do the whole journey on your own, go ahead and skip the videos. Now, in every module except the first one, you'll have to do some homework exercises and also to review the tasks of your fellow students. There would be a single chance to submit homeworks, but you'll be provided with evaluation scale that will be used in peer-to-peer review, so you'll have a chance to double-check your exercises before submission. I must say that you'll benefit the most if you do the work individually. And also be conscious about peer reviews. If I see a pattern of too high evaluations, you get failed. The same goes with plagiarism. Now, in every module, there will be also mini-tests, a few simple questions related to the material of the module. In total, you can get 50 points from homeworks and 25 points from mini-tests. And also, there will be a big Moodle test at the end. In order to pass the course, you will need to do all the peer reviews and to get minimum of 65 points. So, as you can see, if you are doing good with homeworks and mini-tests, you don't even need to take the big test. Now, to give you an idea about schedule, the first week will be devoted to the first module, data visualization, then 2 weeks afterwards to the second module, and then 2 weeks afterwards for both reviewing the tasks of your fellows of the previous module, the second one, and working on the next module, the third one. And the pattern will repeat with the break on the exam week. And the big Moodle test will be scheduled at the end. Now, I suspect at this point some of you might have some what-if questions. Let me try to address them. So, in case you are already professional in Excel and confident in VBA and familiar with the topics mentioned here, but you have to take this course, then good news, there is a shortcut for you. You can take an exam in a Riga Computer Aquarium, and if you pass, that's it. However, if you fail, welcome to the course, same as for everybody who wants to learn something. Then, if you missed at least one deadline for homework or peer-to-peer review, then sorry, you failed the course and you can try next year. But you can try to prepare yourself and take the Riga exam, but remember that there is only a single chance to take this exam, so don't come unprepared, don't waste that chance. Then same goes with peer reviews. They are mandatory to pass the course, and as I mentioned, minimum of 65 points are required. So if you meet all of those requirements, congratulations, you have passed the course.